Why cloud computing is important for the future of your business in 2021. Cloud applications offer adaptability and will empower companies to adopt the latest business requirements in order to stay competitive. Companies from all sectors are effectively shifting their essential business activities to the cloud. Companies find cloud business solutions easy to integrate with ongoing business processes and cost-effective. Cloud computing is the process of data or software service distribution. Data storage, networking, servers, and databases are tools and applications of cloud computing. Earlier, critical information was stored on a proprietary hardware device or local storage unit that was hard to access. But thanks to cloud-based storage, businesses can access critical information from anywhere. Why is cloud computing ideal for businesses? In today's world, organizations need to have access to the necessary business data 24/7. Why cloud computing is important for the future of your business in 2021. In past, many software solutions were not customizable, but now, companies can easily customize clouds as per their environment to handle the processes and implementation. The minute organizations switch to the cloud, the amount of device hardware they use will effectively reduce. Tools, data reinforcement, and record stockpiling administrations all take up a lot of room on an organization's devices or servers. With cloud storage, organizations can easily store essential data on cloud servers. Cloud computing can save organizations from spending huge amounts on an in-house team to maintain, install, and update software. By only paying affordable monthly/yearly fees, organizations can utilize cloud computing to manage their data and services. You can save a great deal of room on your PC by moving the cloud information. You can relocate business information on the cloud and save a lot of room on a hard drive. With cloud storage, you utilize the cloud servers of the sellers to store this data. At times of crises like cataclysmic events or blackouts, information hacking, and so on, cloud-based administrations are the most ideal alternative for quick data recovery. The demand for cloud platforms is constantly increasing as they are affordable platforms for business solutions combined with high-value services. It is essential to understand the USPs of every cloud computing service, and how it can provide the best business-specific solutions to store, process, and access data using remote servers hosted on the Internet.